It was just a matter of time until a great Shopify POS system emerged. After all, there's no disputing Shopify has already risen to prominence in the world of online shopping. Small companies now have the ability to execute safe online sales in seconds thanks to Shopify's contemporary e-commerce capability. So, the debut of their point of sale system app in 2013 was widely anticipated by both the company and the client. Naturally, the Shopify point-of-sale system integrates effortlessly with the Shopify web store. Take heed if you aspire to be an omni-channel retailer. This is just one example of how Shopify's POS system provides complete consumer shopping freedom. Customers may go from browsing your internet business to making a purchase in person the very next day. Since 2013, Shopify's point-of-sale service has expanded into Shopify POS for Android smartphones. Shopify POS for iPad. There is currently no Shopify POS system set for desktop PC, and Shopify Point of Sale Mobile. Each of these alternatives provides you with a low-cost POS system that allows you to control sales while on the go. In our Shopify Point of Sale review, we examine features, software support, usability, price, and other elements of Shopify's product so you don't have to. Please use the link below to contact a Shopify point-of-sale professional. As the globe purchases and works more remotely, the Shopify POS system appears to provide expanding benefits to both customers and retail staff. The key to its success is its ease of use, affordability, intuitive design, adaptability, and long-term software performance. It works extremely simple. You may use Shopify point-of-sale mobile applications on your company smartphone or tablet at any time. If you're launching a physical store, pop-up shop, or market stall and want to accept payments without investing much in equipment, this is a near-flawless POS system. AirPOS, Lightspeed Point-of-Sale, ePOS Now, and Square POS are examples of retail rival point-of-sale platforms. Shopify takes pride in its reputation as the greatest all-around e-commerce platform available, with nearly unanimously positive Shopify point-of-sale reviews. We have to agree given how highly we suggest it as a POS system. Shopify POS is an excellent platform to consider. There are certain drawbacks to the platform, such as the lack of an offline sale mode for Android, opens in new tab, customers and point-of-sale hardware costs that may be matched by other brands, sometimes at the expense of system quality, but they are minor. It should be mentioned that Shopify POS includes software solutions that are suitable for businesses of various sizes and sectors. When, where, and how your business operates. This is a point-of-sale system that will work around your hours and obligations. The platform is exceptional, with its user-friendly design, a variety of adjustable price levels, dozens of apps, and stacks of POS capabilities. It's especially advantageous for high-volume merchants since Shopify can drastically minimize the cost and time needed in switching to a new point-of-sale system. Whether you're looking for a point-of-sale for a real business, a food truck, or a festival, the Shopify POS mobile payment solution frees up individuals to bring payments to their customers. With thousands of applications to select from, you have the freedom to customize the app to your unique needs. Its point-of-sale app appears to have been created with the demands of current companies in mind. It's adaptable, powerful, and simple to use. To create a comprehensive in-store selling experience, you may integrate a variety of Shopify point-of-sale hardware. To chat with one of our Shopify POS experts about your questions, please click the link below.